Good afternoon, everybody. We're going to go over our Forex trades for today, Thursday, December 5th. No action yesterday, hence no video. Did have some trades this morning, although we had to wait till the ECB made their interest rate decision, which they've done nothing. Mario Draghi started to make some speeches, some comments about it. Also at 10 o'clock we had what do we have? We had some economic data here in the United States. Initial jobless claims came in better than expected, and so did GDP. But we avoided that number. Was that 10 o'clock? Or it was at 8:30. We avoided that number at 8:30. But we did get one trade right after that, and we were long the euro to yen, as you see here, 138.855. As soon as it started to approach the figure, we sold half. If you look at the chart here, you got the figure. We're coming to the figure, and then about 15 pips, 12 to 15 pips above the figure, we have some congested area from yesterday, as well as from back on the 3rd, 2 days ago. So we sold half just ahead of the figure at 138.958, picked up 10.3 pips on that half. And just wanted to see if it would bust through the figure and what it would do. It did. We were hoping she'd run at about 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 pips or so. Started to stall out, so we did grab an extra 8 pips on the second half. So on the second half we made 18.9 pips. So we'll take it. It was a really easy trade. As you can see here, we left a bunch on the table because it went to this congested area, busted through that, and just continued to run. This thing ran 70 pips or so from where we went long, or at least 60, 65 pips from where we went long. So, obviously we definitely left some on the table. With that second half, in hindsight, probably should have looked back. Should have waited a little longer. But if you look at the next candle on that second half pop, you would have been at one point you'd be looking at a loss. So, I still think we made the right move. That was more data that came out that made this thing, start to pop. You had, like I said, Draghi speaking. So, again, I think we made the right move. Picked up 14.6 pips. So we'll take it. We'll run. We thought there might be 1 or 2 more trades, but unfortunately nothing. Also, as far as the long-term or swing trades, whatever you'd like to call them, no signals yesterday and no signals so far this morning and into today. It's about 12:30 right now, so into lunchtime. So that's it. We're gonna wrap it up. If you're still trading now, good luck. We've been really active on Instagram. Hopefully, you guys could check that out and see the different offers that we have. And once in a while we put up pictures, or even we've started to integrate a few videos here and there as well on Instagram. So that's it. We're going to wrap it up. Have a great day, and assuming some action tomorrow. Tomorrow you have non-farm payrolls, 8:30 in the morning, the biggest economic data of every single month. So we'll see what that brings. We'll see what the estimates, or at least the consensus of not the analysts, but of on the street, is that could surprise on the upside because the initial jobless claims that were announced this morning were so good. Again, we kind of shake it off because you have the holiday season. You have the retailers hiring a lot of temporary workers. Don't want to call them part-time, but temporary. They might be working a full week, but they're going to be getting laid off after the holidays. So they hire them for, say, 2 months or so. So I'm not a big fan when you see surprises in the job data this time of year. Anyway, so we'll see what that number brings. It could get some decent action tomorrow. It could be such a surprise that we get no trade. So we'll see what happens. So that's it. Wrapping it up. Have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you tomorrow, assuming some action.